name is Luis Sanchez and we're here at Nick's Beverly Hills. Today I want to show you how to make a classic Pisco Sour, Peru's national drink. It's really a simple drink. It's been around for many years, but it's so simple that people kind of mistakenly make it too strong or not too strong. So I'm going to show you the proper way. We're going to start by icing a mixing cup. And then we're going to start adding our ingredients. We're using Pisco Porton, which is a premium Peruvian pisco. 2 ounces of pisco. 1 1/4 ounces of fresh lime juice. Fresh. Please use fresh. 3/4 ounces of simple syrup, which is just equal parts of water and sugar that you boil until the sugar is dissolved. And we're going to add about 1/2 ounce of egg whites. Egg whites are not going to add any flavor to the drink. It's just more of a mouthfeel for the cocktail. And it's really a classic way of making sours. We're going to lock our shaker, and we're just going to shake until all the egg whites create this wonderful foaminess. Pour into this coupette glass. See all that wonderful foam up there? We're going to stop right there, and then we're going to garnish it with the last ingredient, which is a bitters. I'm using a Peruvian bitters called Chuncho bitters, which is available here now. I'm going to make a little design with it. The bitters is going to hit you in the nose when you pick up that drink. And then if it's for a lady, we can do little hearts. For a guy, if you're a lady bartender, or whatever really you want to do as part of design. And this is it. This is a classic Pisco Sour. One more time, my name is Luis Sanchez and we're here at Nick's in Beverly Hills. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. Cheers.